Are you looking for the best short throw projectors? In this video we will look at some of the best short throw projectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. BenQ HT2150ST. BenQ is a trendy projector brand that offers all types of projectors, from affordable to expensive ones. It also includes short throw projectors. Yes, I am talking about one of its popular models called HT2150ST. It is a gaming short throw projector offering tons of advances, features, and technologies. It natively supports full HD resolution, 1920x 1080p, and utilizes DLP imaging technology. With over 2200 ANSI lumens, it is well suited for low-lit to well-lit rooms. What else? Its contrast ratio of 15,000:1, stunning deepest black and brightest white colors ratio. When it comes to bulb life, it is around 3,500 to 7,000 hours. However, the bulb life expectancy entirely depends on the usages of the projector. Since the projector is built with DLP display technology, its 3D image projection is up to the mark without any deterioration issues. Number 2. Optoma GT1080HDR. Like BenQ, Optoma is another famous brand in the projector industry. With a broad array of features, Optoma has introduced something very robust called GT1080HDR, a short throw projector. It's a full HD, native 1920x 1080p resolution projector and supports Ultra HD 4K resolution too. In addition to the 4K resolution, the Optoma GT1080HDR is openly compatible with HDR10 technology, allowing the projector to produce accurate color while keeping the deeper black and brighter whites levels up to the bar. Besides, it has a 6-segment color wheel, RYGCWB, working with Rec.709 color profile to take the improved and color accuracy to the real world. Number 3. ViewSonic PJD5553LWS. ViewSonic PJD5553LWS is my third pick for top short throw projectors, boasts 3200 lumens and a contrast ratio of 2:0:0:0:1. Since the projector requires only a couple of feet, it's an ideal option for tight spaces. In addition, it can create a large image size of up to 120 inches just from 4 feet and 2 inches. Moreover, the ideal throw distance is between 0.53 to 2.64 meters. The ViewSonic PJD5553LWS offers a wide range of features that you can expect only from high-end models. Even though the projector is under budget, it is powerful enough to project a 3D image and delivers impressive visuals. ViewSonic primarily has designed the projector for watching movies or complete home theater entertainment.